In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f0823 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type Settings. Click on it under the best match. Once you're in this window, click on System on the left pane. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So what we can do is we need to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So simply click on the Run button corresponding to it to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. That will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue, and aside from that, it will also fix the issue for you. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the best match. Scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update Service. Right-click, go to Properties, Startup Type, make sure this is automatic. Click on the Start button. Then you have to click on Apply. Click on OK. You might also consider to click on the Restart button on the left pane. Then just right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart after doing so. And the last thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type Notepad. Click on it. I will be pasting a text in the description box. So simply also paste the script in the Notepad. Okay, so here it is. It is the script. Then click on the File tab and then click on Save As. Go to the desktop. Name this as, let's say for example, Solution. Any name or any file name, just make sure to put the extension .bat. Okay, save as, type all files and click on Save. Then you'll find that in the desktop, right click and then select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. And wait for the process to be done. Okay. Now after that, we just need to simply type Y and hit Enter. Then, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.